Right, I throw to you and you throw to me.
Okay, ready?
1,
2,
2,
3. Ah! You took your eye off of it.
Sorry, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Ah!
Oh! Ah!
You can get this, you can get this. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Now then, Douglas and Master reporting for the Zero Waste Cooking School. Today we have the absolute honour to be cooking with Mr. Martyn and Dell.
Alright, we're going to be making citrus fluff.
Martyn, could you please tell us what is citrus fluff?
God, good question. Alright, citrus fluff is basically a thing that I came up with. I can't say I came up with it, but basically all of the peels of all of your citrus that you would normally like, just discard.
What sort of citrus?
Like grapefruit. Oh, hello. Grapefruit, orange, pineapple. Oh, this is lemon. And lime. You know, like stuff that you would normally use in the kitchen and you normally just like chuck in the bin or whatever. Yeah. So I was like, how can you make it edible or palatable? So ended up sort of just playing around, roasting it with loads of sugar and having a little mess around. It all kind of like stemmed from this series of like me grating things. So I pressed it into this block and then pulled out this cosmic log of citrus, put it over the microplane, and I was like, oh my god, and it was like a marmalade.
So tell us, what can you do with the citrus fluff?
Well, I think this is the
cosmic
log.
Cosmic log of citrus fluff.
Yeah, I think you know, there's lots of things you can do with it. You know, I think once you start understanding flavours, it's like, where do you take it? Like bitter, sweet, citrus. You know, you can put it into anything. So you could put it on like ice cream. You could just have it on toast. You could use it as a marinade, like at the base of a marinade, or
Mediterranean cooking.
Yeah.
Chicken.
I mean, you think of like preserved lemons. It's that kind of vibe, but like the sweeter version of a preserved lemon without the saltiness.
Martyn, will you please teach us how to make citrus fluff?
With my pleasure. Come over here to the chopping board. Right, so look, all you need to do is get some skin. So it's pretty simple. Like, you can peel it, or you can go fancy and just nick the top off. You know, it's actually quite good if you're practicing knife skills. You know, because you can lose a bit at the top, a bit at the bottom, and that's just extra flavour that we can have in there. So we just do a little bit of a waz around the side.
A waz?
Yeah, I love the word waz.
What's the Escoffier definition of waz?
Well, I did it for a video once for a company, and they were like, can you just remove waz, because it means go for a wee-wee in my country.
Does it?
Yeah. But I just like using it now just because I got told that. You're going to boil your fruit for 3 minutes, the skins. Just add your sugar. Any old sugar. And then you just pop it in your tray. Get all of that sugar out, because that will go into like a super nice caramel. And then roast it in the oven about 180 for 30 to 40 minutes, stirring every now and then until it's lovely and squidgy. You're going to add 40% water and blend until a smooth paste. Look at that. So we've got some, what's this? Baker foil, non-stick paper. Turn it over. And then you just shape them however you want. You can have it loggy, you can have it squarey. It's completely up to you. This is where your days at burrito filling station work out well. Look at that. So I think if you make it something like a shape that is holdable, press into your moulds, put into the freezer, cosmic logs are ready when they're hard. It's like tiling.
Yay! Should we simultaneously grate?
Yeah.
I feel overwhelmed.
Just breathe. Oh!
Cheers. Oh. Creamy goodness.
That is absolutely banging.
Sharon's caring though, isn't it?
That is, yeah.
That's good.
It's not even that bitter, but the bitterness, the bitterness that is present is excellent with sweetness things.
We're onto something.
You, my friend.
When I messaged you, I was like, we're onto something.
I must give you full credit for this. Absolute genius. Zero waste genius. A wonderful way to end the day. What would you? Any final last words?
I just think outside the box. Be creative. I mean, if you make a mistake, it doesn't matter. This could have been a colossal mistake, but it worked out to be delicious.
Keep creative, cook carefully, waste nothing.
End of transmission.